You're looking at one of the most well-developed and thought-out machines in the abrasive blasting industry. This is Dustless Blasting, an innovative coating removal system that combines sustainability with reliability. Our system uses a fraction of the resources that other systems require. The Dustless process has been noted as one of the preferred methods of coating removal by OSHA, keeping your operation both safe and productive. Pushed to the limit every day, this equipment has been proven to withstand the test of time. Produced right here in Houston, Texas, our build quality is held to the highest industry standards and is backed by multiple certifications. Plus, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that every blast pot comes with a lifetime warranty and full factory support. These mean green cleaning machines are built with pressure vessel grade steel and sealed with full penetrating arc welding. These welds are then hydrostatically pressure tested and certified. The Dustless blasting system is cleverly designed with no internal moving parts, which minimizes wear items and improves media flow. Furthermore, most of the external parts are non-proprietary and easily replaceable. You won't get that with other systems. Ready to start blasting? The DB500 is the most popular model with a continuous blast time of an hour or more. In that time, you could clean a whole graffiti wall, refresh a patio, or blast most of the outside of a car in a single fill. And when it's time to top off, our large fill funnel makes adding abrasive smooth and simple, and the overflow valve gives you the perfect fill level every time, without any measuring, reducing downtime. Furthermore, you can quickly and easily adjust your blast pressure and media consumption for any substrate that you might encounter. Even customize your blast pattern with a variety of available nozzles. What's more, Dustless blasting can be used wet, dry, or with soda, making the equipment endlessly versatile. So hey, if you want to use the best in the business, head over to dustlessblasting.com to learn more about this amazingly versatile tool.